FERMAT's new 5-axis continuous milling machine. It's uncovered, so it gives us a unique chance to explore the machine from the inside. This is FERMAT's new servo drive universal automatic milling head. It's got 4 motors, 2 that drive the A axis and 2 that drive the C axis, and can do continuous, not just positioning, but continuous milling, simultaneous milling on both A and C axes. The headstock is situated inside of a double column and rides along 4 linear guideways, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and 2 ball screws in the front that you see right here. Now let's take a look at the back of the headstock. Here's a motor, it's 53 kilowatts. It's connected to the milling head with a gearbox and drive shaft. The maximum milling speed is 5,000 RPM. Now to the table, it can hold up to 20 metric tons. It's built on a rack and pinion system with 3 linear guideways. This is the most advanced milling head we've ever made. This one. And this is where the absolute best milling heads are made. Now you see the machine fully covered.